Painting procedures for lower elementary. You will need paint, a paintbrush to create your painting, we will stand up to paint so that we can move our wrist and our elbow and our whole arm. Carry your paint cup with 2 hands to avoid spills. Place your paint cup in a safe place, away from edges and your belly, so it doesn't fall. Hold your paintbrush in the middle like a pencil. That way you can control your strokes. Dip, wipe, paint, paint, paint. Say it with me. Dip, wipe, paint, paint, paint. Brush in the cup when you're done. 1 paint cup at a time. My helper hand holds my paper so it doesn't wiggle around. Use smooth, even strokes when painting. Some painting rules I will try to remember is to take my time, paint all the spots, and to paint quietly so that I can do my best. A tall paintbrush makes thin lines, whereas a lazy brush will make fatter lines. So when I'm doing my stem here, I'm holding my brush very tall, almost like a person with really good posture. But when I get to the other parts, like my leaf, where I need to fill in, my brush can become a little lazier to create fatter or thicker paint lines. Just speeds things up a little bit. Be kind to your paintbrush. You can hurt your paintbrush by pressing it too hard onto the table. You always want to make sure you have a nice amount of paint and that you are smoothly and gently gliding the brush across the paper. Done or think you're done? Make sure that you check with someone at your table before you raise your hand to tell the teacher that you're done. Sometimes a friend at your table may see a spot you might have missed, and you can also help friends at your table with spaces they may have missed. If you spill, please clean it up.